On this video, we'll be looking at setting up the email DNS when you're using shared hosting at SiteGround. So here we have the domain registered at Namescheap. And now we've just taken an email subscription. Because we're pointing the name servers to SiteGround, you can no longer change the DNS record within Namescheap. So you'll have to go to SiteGround and put this information here in the DNS zone on SiteGround rather on Namescheap, because you're pointing the name server at SiteGround. So what we'll do here is websites, click manage. The screen's split in half, so one browser window with Namescheap and to the right the SiteGround. You're wondering why it's like this on the screen. Here, this is the one we'll be doing. So if I click the three lines up here, sorry, let's go into the domain first. So if I click the three dots here, sorry, site tools, then click the three dots and go down to domain. Otherwise, it won't show the domain in the list. See, click the site tools, then we drop the main menu up here if you didn't see how I did it. Show you again, three dots here, click domain, and then go down to DNS editor here. Now, what you'll find is that your MX records, which you need to change, are already here, and the text record was just above. So it's just a case of editing what's here, which would say something like spam mail, but I've already edited mine. So where it says, well, I've got mxprivateemail.com there, I'll edit, click here, and I'll copy and paste this here into here, which I've already done. Change the priority to 10. And then click confirm. As I've already done it, I won't be doing it again, but you'll do it for these two here. And then your text record, you'd stick that and replace the contents of here in there. That's it for the video. If you found this useful, please like the video so other people be able to find the video. Thank you and goodbye.